Lori with Rock & Co Crafts. I want to thank you for joining me. Today I want to pour 3 different holographic molds. Now one I poured before just using clear resin, but the other 2 are new ones. This is the butterfly. This is the holographic mold that I poured in the Amazon haul video. And if you watch that video, you know that I did pour it in clear. If you haven't seen that video, I will post a link to it in the description box below. But as you can see, if I twist it around a little bit, you can see some of the holographic effects in there. Now, I have 2 new ones that my daughter-in-law just purchased for me. One is like a dog bone or dog collar looking dog bone thing. And even though when I flip it back and forth in the light, it's really hard to see anything holographic in there, but I have seen it holding it in the sunlight. So I want to pour that one. And then the other one she got for me is this cat face. And again, it's hard to see the holographic in here just by pushing it under the light like this, but I could see it in the sunlight. Now all 3 of these I do want to pour using the Let's Resin black epoxy resin pigment paste because I want a black backing. Now I have mixed 60 milliliters of resin because they are small molds, so this should be a relatively quick video. So let me go ahead and get some of this pigment paste in here and get it mixed. We'll see if that's enough. If not, I'll add more. I'm kind of curious to see, well, I want to see how the butterfly turns out in the black backing because the other one was clear. It looked good in the clear, but definitely lacking some character. But the little dog bone and the cat face, it's really hard to see even what the design is inside of them. So I guess we'll all find that out together. I mean, I can tell that there is a design. I just can't really tell what that design is. Let me clean my stick and test and see if this is dark enough. And yeah, it looks plenty dark. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the butterfly. Now with the butterfly, I do know when I poured it in the other video, the Amazon haul video, that there were so many bubbles inside of it. I was surprised that it actually cleared bubble free. But because of that, and I'm not going to be able to see to get in there to try to pop them, I'm going to go ahead and spritz it with some isopropyl alcohol and hope that that helps with the bubble issue. I'm not a fan of pouring the alcohol in the molds simply because it dries the molds out. As I said, this is going to be a quick video. Here's the cat, and let's put the bone there. And after I pour the cat and the dog bone, I will use my dotting tool around the edges. And if I measured this right, 60 should be plenty. Let me see if I think I may need a little bit more in the butterfly. I'm going to see if I can make it fit here. I hope I don't go over. All right, let me grab my dotting tool and try to carefully go around these edges without making too much of a mess, just in case there's some bubbles stuck in there. Now I can't do that on the, I can maybe do it on the outskirts of the butterfly. I think I'm not going to touch the butterfly. I did put some alcohol in there, so maybe that'll take care of it, I hope. Oh, I don't want to go too fast. I'll make a mess. And I want to see if I can get around these little hanger things. And I made a mess outside of that one. As I said, it's going to be a quick, short video because I just have these 3 small ones. And we'll see. Once we unmold, we'll see if whatever the design is, the holographic design, if it shows up, that's what we have. I'm just going to wait 24 hours, then I'll meet you back here when it's time for the unmolding. See you shortly. It is time for the unmolding. Before I do that, I'm going to put this is the clear butterfly that I had poured. As you can see, it is pretty. There's pretty rainbow looking colors. I hope to get an even better outcome with the black backing. I'm kind of concerned because I did put so much alcohol when I was working on the editing. I can't believe how much alcohol spray I sprayed in here. It is still a little soft. It hasn't been quite 24 hours. I can fix that after I get it out. I just don't want to rip the antenna off. Oh, be careful. I don't want to rip it. There we go. Yeah, it's still pretty soft. Let's go ahead and flip it over and see. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that flash. Oh, it looks so good with the black backing. So here's the clear one. Which one do you like the best? I'm going to openly admit I like this one the best. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and see. I'm hoping that whatever design is on these will show up. I am a fan of this black butterfly. Let me go ahead and carefully unmold these, and we will see if anything shows up on them. I sure hope so. It's really hard to see on the mold itself. Look at that. That's just like magic to me. I don't know how they do it, but that is so cool. I love it. I love to watch it dance. All right, well, let's check out the cat. Let's see what we have going on there. Little hearts. Oh my goodness. I don't know how. There you go. There's some color showing. Oh, that is so pretty. Isn't that just amazing? I don't know how they do it, but definitely a fan of these. And yes, the black backing makes all the difference in the world. So look how pretty that butterfly is. Let me know which one you like the best. We have the little kitty with the hearts. And then the spirals, I guess, circles, I don't know what you would call them, on the little dog bone. And then the butterfly, just a huge difference on that butterfly. Just a huge difference. I can't believe how, I mean, they both look good. You get some color with the clear, but the black backing just really brings out that color. Let me know what you think, and let me know which one you like the best in the comments below. I want to ask you to please consider hitting the like, share, and if you haven't already, the subscribe buttons. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks.